My name is Jeroen Peters. I'm working for Philips as a supply chain manager in the factory in Best.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Pechtel. I'm the S&OP manager for CT and AMI.
And this is Betty Young. I'm working as procurement engineer business partner.
My name is Yong Tao. I'm in charge of the Ops MR in Suzhou right now.
We really made the impossible, we made it possible by shipping a magnet, which was actually shipped from New York, USA, to Best, shipped on a Friday and delivered in the hospital in Barcelona on Monday. Yeah, that was really a wow feeling. I think the whole team had that same feeling.
We had an awesome opportunity to participate in donating 4 CT systems to countries in need, but in places that truly need this equipment. We got information like, well, we have GPS coordinates. We don't exactly have a street name or an address. And we thought, well, how do you put that on your invoice and your packing list?
And when my dad was admitted to the heart operation, and at that time I'm very, very nervous. Well, I went to the hospital, and he has operation done, and with a Philips device. That's when really hit me. And I'm working here and manufacture equipment, and the equipment can be used in my family.
I have a great team with me, and I have a great leadership team supporting me.
With Philips's help, I decided to join a master's program. I started working on my career path.
We make great products, but for a very good, to make the world a little bit a better place, and you're just a little part of that.
This project gave us all the opportunity to directly affect people's lives. It's an honor to be a part of something like that.
I want to be role modeling for my girl. She was talking with me saying, Mom, I want to be you in some time.
So I would tell people that it's a fast-paced environment. It's going to move very quickly. Hang on tight. It's exciting. It's a lot of work, but it's worthwhile. We need you.